Bow windows are known for their elegant curves, expanded views, and ability to bring in abundant natural light. However, their performance depends on more than just the window design itself. Because bow windows extend outward and involve multiple window panels, proper installation plays a critical role in how well they function over time. For homeowners in Rowlett, professional installation is essential to ensuring bow windows deliver long-term comfort, stability, and reliability. Why bow windows require specialized installation? Unlike standard flat windows, bow windows project outward from the home and consist of several connected panels. This structure places additional demands on the installation process. In Rowlett homes, bow windows must be properly supported, leveled, and sealed to handle daily use and changing conditions. Professional installation ensures these requirements are met from the start. Maintaining structural support and stability. Bow windows rely on strong support systems to maintain their shape and alignment. Without proper support, the window may sag or shift over time. Professional installers understand how to distribute weight correctly and secure the window structure. For Rowlett homeowners, this helps ensure bow windows remain stable and visually appealing for years. Preventing air leaks and drafts. Air leaks are one of the most common issues caused by poor installation. Even small gaps around a bow window can allow unwanted airflow. Professional installation ensures a tight, consistent seal around the entire window assembly. In Rowlett homes, this helps reduce drafts and maintain more stable indoor temperatures near the window area. Managing moisture and weather exposure. Bow windows have more seams and joints than standard windows, which makes moisture management especially important. Professional installers use proper flashing and sealing techniques to direct moisture away from the window. This protects both the bow window and surrounding wall areas in Rowlett residences. Supporting consistent indoor comfort. Improperly installed bow windows can create hot or cold spots in the room. These temperature imbalances affect comfort and usability. With professional installation, bow windows perform as intended. Rowlett homeowners often notice that rooms feel more comfortable and evenly balanced once windows are installed correctly. Ensuring smooth window operation. Bow windows often include operable side panels. If the window frame isn't level or square, these panels may stick or become difficult to open. Professional installation ensures proper alignment. In Rowlett homes, this results in smooth operation and less wear on window components over time. Preserving the window's appearance. Bow windows are a visual focal point. Gaps, uneven spacing, or visible misalignment can detract from their appearance. Professional installers ensure precise placement and clean finishes. For Rowlett homeowners, this means bow windows enhance both interior and exterior aesthetics. Reducing the need for repairs. Poor installation often leads to early repairs, adjustments, or performance issues. Professionally installed bow windows are less likely to develop problems. Rowlett homeowners benefit from long-lasting performance with fewer maintenance concerns. Protecting the investment. Bow windows are a significant home upgrade. Protecting that investment starts with proper installation. Professional installation ensures bow windows deliver their full benefits, comfort, light, and visual appeal, without avoidable performance issues. A smart step toward lasting performance. The quality of installation directly affects how bow windows perform day after day. For homeowners in Rowlett, professional installation plays a vital role in bow window performance. By ensuring proper support, sealing, alignment, and moisture protection, professional installers help bow windows function efficiently and look great for years, making professional installation a smart and necessary part of the upgrade process.